Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Gardening Books is probably one of the most sought-after resources for both novice and expert gardeners, offering a treasure trove of knowledge to cultivate your green thumb. From understanding soil composition and plant biology to mastering propagation techniques and designing breathtaking landscapes, these timeless gardening books provide invaluable insights and practical guidance, transforming your gardening journey from a hobby into an enriching and rewarding experience. Number 5. Square Foot Gardening, 3rd edition. Get ready to experience the revolutionary gardening method, now fully updated with more projects and solutions for growing vegetables anywhere. It's gardening made easy and efficient. This edition is packed with new project ideas to help you maximize your garden space and yield. Learn how to grow even more vegetables in less space than ever before. We've addressed common gardening challenges and included innovative solutions to help you overcome obstacles and achieve success, regardless of your experience level. It doesn't matter if you have a small balcony or a large backyard, this book provides techniques to adapt to any space. Transform any area into a thriving vegetable garden. As part of the Square Foot Gardening series, this volume builds upon previous knowledge and introduces advanced techniques. It's the perfect addition to your gardening library. This isn't just a new addition, it's a complete overhaul. We've added new information, improved existing content, and made it even easier to follow. What we like? It's a fully updated guide to the Square Foot Gardening method. It provides new solutions and projects for growing vegetables in any space. If you're looking for a space-saving and highly efficient gardening method, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Square Foot Gardening method is perfect for helping me lay out my garden for the most efficient use of space. The methods make sense and the book provides so much useful information for creating a productive and beautiful garden. I love that it lays flat and stays open the page I want since I use it outside with me while I'm gardening. It was very helpful and simplifies vegetable gardening by using a structured grid system so you can maximize your space, minimize waste, and reduces some need for weeding. Being a novice, this book helped me understand soil composition, plant space, raised bed construction, and other gardening techniques. Number 4. First-Time Gardener's Guide Volume 1. Embark on a fulfilling journey into the art of vegetable gardening. This guide provides all the essential knowledge and support you need to cultivate your own food garden. Learn the basics of planting, watering, and nurturing your plants. It's easier than you think to grow your own delicious vegetables. Experience the immense satisfaction of harvesting homegrown vegetables. It's a rewarding experience that connects you with nature and provides healthy, fresh food. This guide takes you through each stage of the gardening process, from selecting seeds to harvesting your bounty. We'll help you every step of the way. Gardening is a rewarding hobby that offers fresh, healthy food and a connection to nature. Let this guide be your companion as you cultivate your own little piece of paradise. It's an invitation to nurture, grow, and discover the simple joys of tending your own vegetable garden. Let's get started. What we like? This book is specifically designed for beginners. It offers all the necessary knowledge and support to help you start your vegetable garden. If you are a beginner and need a supportive and encouraging guide, this is your best bet. What people say. With this book you have all the information you need to get started, and more. As you garden you'll need to find solutions to problems as they arise. She encourages you to keep a garden journal to record your outcomes and let the garden teach you valuable lessons. The foundation of what every garden must have to produce food, the non-negotiables, are laid out before you, as well as the negotiables, which are the decisions you make based on your needs, your landscape conditions, and your personal preferences and creativity. The pros and cons of various options help you make well-informed decisions. This book is beautifully written, designed and photographed, and packed with valuable info for all gardeners, including those who are completely new and have a black thumb. It will help you gain a deeper understanding of growing. Number 3. Vegetable Gardener's Bible, 2nd edition. Welcome to the 2nd edition of the Vegetable Gardener's Bible. This guide will help you grow a bountiful harvest, no matter where you live in North America. Learn about the WRD system, wide rows, organic methods, raised beds, and deep soil preparation. It's the key to maximizing your yield. It uses wide rows to ensure each plant gets enough sunlight and air circulation, leading to healthier growth. It emphasizes organic methods to build healthy soil. This creates a thriving environment for your plants to flourish. Discover the benefits of raised beds. They offer better drainage and give you more control over your soil composition. Proper deep soil preparation is essential. It encourages strong root systems, leading to bigger and healthier plants. No matter where you are in North America, it provides region-specific advice to help you succeed. It's time to transform your garden. Get started with this comprehensive guide and enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor. What we like. It introduces a unique high-yield gardening system suitable for various regions. It emphasizes organic methods and offers solutions for raised beds and deep soil. If you're aiming for a bountiful harvest using organic practices, this book is for you. Number 2. Complete Gardener Guide. Embark on a comprehensive gardening adventure with this guide. It's your key to unlocking a thriving garden, no matter your experience level. Learn how to plan the perfect garden layout. This section will help you choose the right plants and prepare your soil for success. Discover the secrets to successful planting and plant care. It covers everything from seed starting to transplanting and ongoing maintenance. Keep your garden flourishing throughout the seasons. This guide provides practical advice on watering, fertilizing, and pest control. Learn how to harvest your bounty and enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor. It also offers creative ways to use your homegrown produce. This guide helps you identify and solve common gardening problems. It provides practical solutions to keep your plants healthy and thriving. Explore unique and imaginative gardening techniques. It inspires you to create a truly personalized and beautiful outdoor space. What we like. This comprehensive guide covers every aspect of gardening. It offers practical and imaginative advice for all gardening enthusiasts. If you're looking for a single, all-encompassing resource, this is the one to choose. What people say. This beautifully presented hardback garden book covers all types of areas of gardening, whether it be the small garden or large garden, vegetables, or flowers, troubleshooting, and creative ideas. It's the type of book you'll keep for your lifetime because gardening basics never grow old or change drastically. The information is detailed, and the photos are exceptional. Number 1. Gardener's Complete Guide. First, you need a plan. It's all about deciding what you want to grow and where it will thrive. Let's get organized. Now for the sowing. This guide will walk you through the best techniques for starting your plants from seed. Get ready for germination. Time to get your hands dirty. Learn the proper way to plant your seedlings or transplants for optimal growth. Let's get planting. It's time to nurture your plants. Discover the secrets to keeping them healthy, happy, and producing a bountiful harvest. Watch them grow. Congratulations, it's harvest time. Learn how to pick and store your produce to enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Enjoy your rewards. It's not always perfect. This guide helps you identify and solve common gardening problems. Don't worry, we've got you covered. What we like. It's a simple and easy-to-follow guide that takes you through each step of the gardening process. It provides all the information needed to plan, sow, plant, and grow your garden successfully. If you prefer a straightforward approach with clear instructions, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The step-by-step instructions for planning, sowing, planting, and growing are incredibly clear and well-organized. The detailed plant profiles and troubleshooting tips for common gardening challenges. This book has everything a first-timer like me could need. From plans, designs, sowing, pruning, etc. I was also excited about the fruit and vegetable section as I plan to grow my own. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.